and welcome back to my Moneymaker haul of CVS. Yeah, everything went by smoothly. Still had problems with the red machine. So what I did is I scanned my cards right away. I kind of walked around. I think I waited like 10 minutes and then I went back again and scanned it and more came out. Then I had to wait like 15 more minutes and more came out. I don't like it, and then I still didn't get every single one that I needed. When I did check out, there's a bunch more that printed off, but I don't know why they're doing that. Some of you guys mentioned that, you know, they're trying to, you know, save on paper, which is fine with me, but I just wish they changed their app a little bit. They don't even have to print like all these barcodes. They could print them like, I don't know, a little bit smaller or differently. Like there's many different ways to do it. So yeah, now I have to go on my app, you know, and add the rest to my card, which I will wait till the end of the week to do that. But everything went by smoothly. Some of the tags were up, some of the tags were not. I had to scan stuff, but other than that, let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So one bag is one transaction and another bag is another transaction with two different cards. So what I ended up doing is I did the whole blends deal. The whole blends are 2 for $7. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts last week. You guys also want to use the 2 off of 2 instant coupon that is printing from the red machine. You guys will just get this for both of these for $1, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck back, making these a $2 moneymaker. So I ended up doing those with both cards. Just because I wanted to, you know, get some money back. I kind of lost some CRTs there a couple weeks ago, and I'm just like, so I got that. I ended up getting the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Now these ones are 2 for $9, the other ones are 2 for $10, but these were 2 for $9. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts, I think last week, I can't remember that. But I also had a $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme CRT, so I used that. You guys would pay $2.50 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $2 back in an extra care buck, making them 50 cents. But there's also a deal on Fetch Rewards for 1,000 points when you guys buy one. So these come out to be a 50-cent moneymaker. So absolutely free, which I love to hear, and you guys love to hear also. So yes. I did the Eucerin deal. Now this one was $13.79 and this was $6.29. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. I also had a $3.50 off of 10 Lotion CRT. So I paid $10.58 for both of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making it just 58 cents. 58 cents, I think, for Lotion is a pretty good deal. I like lotion, but sometimes the lotion that I use, it like makes my hands, I have to use very little of it. I'm not sensitive, but sometimes I just don't like all that greasy lotion and stuff. So yeah, but the Eucerin is good sometimes. Most of it's good. Now, I ended up wanting to get the Irish Spring bars. Okay, these were 4 for $10. My store only had 2 of them. Sorry, you guys. I'm like the sun is shining right on the building, and it's like in my eyes. I need to put my glasses on. But these were 4 for $10, and I actually wanted to get 4 of these, but they had 2. And I also had in my app a $1 off of 2 Irish Spring bar soap. So I used that. But then I also had a 2 off of 6 soap, and those coupons actually those CRTs are actually working for the hand soap. So I got 2 of these and I got 2 of these soft soaps. There might be coupons still for the soft soaps. They might have expired. I'm not sure. I don't have any more anyways, so I didn't use any coupons for this. So 4 for $10, I used the 2 off of 8 bar soap body wash coupon, and then I also had a digital $1 off of 2 for my app. I paid $7 for both of these, or all 4 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making them $2 or 50 cents a piece. So pretty good deal if I could do my math. Yeah, if you could do your math, definitely go ahead and do that. I was like thinking a quarter a piece. I'm like, no, 50 cents a piece. Now, I ended up finding out that the Sure is an advertised deal. I scanned it on my app, but these are $2 on sale, you guys, and if you guys buy them, you get $2 back in an extra care buck, so they come out to be absolutely free. I also had a CRT for $1 off any deodorant, so you guys would pay $1 for this and you get $2 back, making it a $1 moneymaker. Now I did it in 2 different transactions. I did one with CRT and one without, so free or $1 moneymaker is a pretty good deal. I've never seen these CRTs before. I got the Duke Canon CRTs. Now I think they're printing off those CRTs to get rid of some of this product because there's a lot of stuff on clearance at the store. So I ended up checking to see if the CRT would work for this, but I had a $2 off Duke Canon. I want to say Duke Kaboom because we watch Toy Story 4 all the time and Ben loves Duke Kaboom, so I'm like, Duke Kaboom! But I ended up getting this Hot Shave Clear Warming Shave Gel. This was on clearance for $2.49 and I used that $2 off CRT, making it just 49 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I got that. So that was one transaction. And then, like, I got all these empty bags, you guys. Like, I like to keep these in my car so when I go shopping, I have them all in my car. Okay, and this is my other transaction that I did. Like I did tell you guys, I did the whole blends deal again. I actually do like using whole blends. Now this was a different Duke Kaboom that I did with my other card. This is the Superior Grave Shaving Cream. So I got this. Husband will probably use it. I don't even smell anything. It says it smells like accomplishment. Okay, so same deal for that if you guys want to do that. I also did the Sure deal again. But I ended up doing the Nivea body wash, the men's body wash. Now these were $5.59. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. I also had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT that I used. So I paid $6.18 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $5 back in an extra care buck. Now I also get 55 cents back times 2 with Ibotta. Now please keep in mind, everybody's Ibotta is different for Nivea. I don't know why. I've noticed that people have different deals. Ibotta just does that. Why? I don't know. It must be like a regional thing. But 2 55-cent rebates with Ibotta, making the final price 8 cents. 4 cents for these is a great deal. Husband actually really likes using the Nivea body wash. He uses this stuff all the time. So those are for my husband. Yes. Okay, the next deal we did was the Renew. Now this was $7.99. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon. Makes it $3.99, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck, making it just 99 cents. Great deal, especially when you can get it over 50% off. I think that is a pretty good deal. Now, funny thing is, I was doing the Maybelline deal, and I sometimes forget to throw away my old CRTs, and she's like, this CRT's expired. I'm like, no, it's not. I just clipped one out of my coupons. So I gave it to her, and she's like, Jennifer, this one's expired. I'm like, no, it's not. It expired today. And she's like, oh, duh. Like, it was just hilarious. I was making fun of her. So I ended up having the $3 off CRT that came from the machine today. And then I also had a CRT for $2 off any Great Lash CRT that I got last week. So this was $4.19, and this was $7.59. I used a $2 off coupon and a $2 off CRT. And then I didn't use any coupon for that. And then I had the $3 off any Maybelline CRT that we got from the red machine. So I paid $4.78 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it a 22-cent moneymaker. So got those absolutely for free. And then I got one more deal for you guys. One more deal. So I ended up getting the Colgate mouthwash. Now these were $3.99. I used two $1 off coupons that we got from in today's inserts. There's also digital coupons, and there's also coupons from coupons.com. You guys would want to also use a $1 off of 5 CRT mouthwash. So pay $4.98 for both of these, but then you guys will get $2 and $2 back of an extra care buck, so you get $4 back, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So I got those. I should probably try the gum health one. I'm always getting like this, the main one, but I'm like, I should probably get something like this. I'm really trying to, you know, start doing better with my teeth. Yeah, even though I don't really have problems with my teeth, but yeah. One thing I do want to mention to you guys is the FREEBIES app. If you guys are shopping at CVS and you guys want to save even more money, download the FREEBIES app. I do have a referral link below, but you guys can get up to 35% back, cash back up to $10. So if your total was at like $10 and something cents, you guys would automatically get $3.50 plus 1 or 2% what is above that. So that is free money. When you first join, you get 3 vouchers. Vouchers basically mean there's select stores where you can get up to 35% cash back up to $10. And then every time you guys get somebody to join with your referral link, you get another voucher. It's pretty good. I love that app. That app is awesome. It saves money. I mean, there's so many places that you guys can shop at and get cash back. Plus, if you guys have what you do is you link your credit card to it, and you get cash back with your credit card. So it's like a double whammy. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm going to definitely do another video with you guys on how to use the FREEBIES app, but definitely download it and use it. Anytime you guys are going to a store, just say, hey, I gotta see if I have it in my app, and voila, you guys can get between 1 to like 10% cash back, some even more, and then with the vouchers you can get 35%. So it works for Burger King for the 35%, Starbucks, CVS, definitely go ahead and do it. But yeah, my total came to $1.24 for both transactions. I ended up using $44.25 worth of extra care bucks. But I did receive 44 back, so that's my goal. Usually trying to get back what I paid, so that's my goal. I ended up getting 1,000 points for Fetch Rewards for the Tresemme, and then I also will be getting $1.10 back with Ibotta for the 2 Nivea men's. So my grand total, you guys, came to a 61-cent moneymaker. I got all that stuff absolutely for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I had fun, actually. I kind of went shopping pretty fast. Like, I always try to get out of there fast, but I'm just like, okay, let's go, Jennifer, let's go, because I always spend at least an hour in that store. It's so crazy. But again, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.